What's up guys? In today's tech tip, let's go ahead and boot the Galaxy A33 5G for the first time and go through the initial setup process. Now I just took this out of the box and let's give it its first boot. So obviously the side key is the power button, so you want to press and hold that to turn it on. Samsung logo appears and now the phone is booting. Alright, so now we are into the welcome screen. So on the welcome screen, make sure the language you want to use is selected. If it's not, tap on that and then select the language you want to use your phone in. And then tap on start. Of course, you'll need to read the end user license agreement, privacy policy, and all that stuff. And of course, agree. So tap on agree. And then you have permissions for Samsung apps and devices. You can change all this stuff later, so just go ahead and tap on more, agree. And then if you have a Wi-Fi network, you can choose to connect to it immediately. So I'll just quickly connect to mine. And then in the next screen where it says copy apps and data, you can choose to transfer your apps and photos from a Google account or a Samsung account or a backup you had made on an SD card. Now, if you're not interested in any of those, simply select don't copy. And then the Google services, tap on more and accept. And at this point, you can set up your phone security. As you can see, this phone has Face ID, has fingerprint, pattern, PIN, and password. All those options to protect your phone. But then again, this is all stuff you can set up later, so I'll just quickly skip. And then if you want to link your Samsung account, this is the time to do it. So enter your email address, phone number, and sign into your Samsung account. Again, you can do this later, so I'll just go ahead and skip. And it says I'm all set up, so I'll just tap on finish. And that's it. There you go. That's my Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. Now, for some reason, it told me I need to restart my phone because of my network service provider. So let's just quickly do that. So there you go. So that's the first boot of my Galaxy A73, technically second boot, but that's the first time setup of my Galaxy A33 5G. You can even quickly check out your IMEI codes, so go ahead and launch the dialer, type *#06#. That should give you a serial number and your IMEI codes. Thanks for watching and good luck.